Got Grandma to take a hike back here. Say hi, Joy. Check out the feet. And there's the falls back there. I'm going to lose my dog. Just gorgeous. And it's not snowing, but the trees are dropping snow out of them. Beautiful here. A little bit of snow here. Not exactly dressed for it. This is White Horse Falls. Starts up here. And runs on down. Don't want to step over there through the snow. Might slip over the edge. That would be fun. Mom stayed in the car for this one. Really pretty here. This big huge snowballs falling out of the trees because the sun's hitting the top of them. I'm being bombarded here, so I think I'm going to get back in the car. Okay, we're here at, this one's Watson Falls, I guess. And it's just a little short walk-in off of the road. Still snowing a bit, but we've come down a couple hundred feet, so it's not nearly as much snow on the ground, just a little bit. It's pretty. Wonder when they took this tree down. Make for a nice walk across there. Been pretty recent. Watson Falls. I just thought these trees are really pretty. This is here at Watson Falls still. But that tree there, spiral moss growing up there. Just how cool is that? I'm going to get snow on my lens and then I'll be sorry. This isn't a falls. This is just south of Boulder Flat. But it's a nice stretch of river here. Really pretty. I love the sound of the rushing water. I could spend all day sitting on the river.